skincare lovers. Today I'm super excited to share with you about this one cleanser that does more than just cleansing your skin. Meet the Cera Ginseng Cloud Cleanser by Sun Tzu, a cleanser that is infused with a pH of 5.5, ceramides, and packed with ginseng water. It is a cleanser that does more than just cleansing or nourishing your skin. The cleanser comes in this clear bottle that looks very sleek, minimal, and super easy to use. The bottle is very simple yet so chic. And talking about the texture, the moment you pump it out, it comes in the form of a small little cloud, and it's so creamy and light. Once you lather it up, it turns into this soft cloud like foam, super gentle, and I can already tell by the texture that it won't strip down your skin. So let's try it out. Just a small amount of the cleanser is enough. Massage in circular motions on a damp skin and it lathers up beautifully. No overpowering scent, just a clean and a refreshing feel. And done. My skin feels so soft, so fresh and hydrated. No tightness, no dryness, just a healthy and a happy skin. So now that I've used the cleanser, it's time for me to break it down to you guys that what I love the most about it. So first, it is a super gentle and a hydrating cleanser. Just after one wash, I can see the brightening effect that it has left my skin with, and I can tell that over a period of time, it can help in strengthening the barrier of my skin. Right after washing my face with the cleanser, my skin felt squeaky clean, and by the after effect of it, I can tell that the formula is non-stripping, which makes it perfect for people with dry and sensitive skin just like me. And lastly, it's a very lightweight formula and very easy to rinse it off. Now let's talk about what makes this cleanser so special. You guessed it right. It is its ingredients. This bottle of cleanser, it filled with 44.5% ginseng water. Yes, that means the half of this bottle is filled with pure ginseng water. This bottle also has fermented red ginseng in it that helps in brightening, tightening and rejuvenation of your skin. And lastly, it is infused with ceramides that helps in locking in the moisture and prevents dryness. So is the Sun Tzu Cera Ginseng Cloud Cleanser worth it? Definitely. If you're looking for a cleanser that is hydrating, nourishing, and also brightens your skin while protecting it, then this cleanser is just for you. So have you used a ginseng-based cleanser before? Let me know in the comments. Till then, I'll see you the next time. Bye.